Why you should use lemongrass essential oil. A grassy, tropical shrub called lemongrass is utilized in both culinary and herbal treatment. Lemongrass oil, which is made from the plant's leaves and stalks, smells strongly of citrus. It is frequently included in soaps and other personal hygiene products. 1. It possesses antimicrobial qualities. A natural medicine for wound healing and infection prevention is lemongrass. According to research published in 2010, lemongrass essential oil is effective against a number of bacteria that are drug-resistant, among them those that cause skin maladies, pneumonia, bleeding disorders, really bad intestinal infections. 2. It possesses antifungal qualities. Organisms called fungi include yeast and mold. A 1996 study found that lemongrass oil was a potent repellent to 4 different kinds of fungus. One kind causes jock itch, ringworm, and athlete's foot. Researchers discovered that for the solution to be successful, lemongrass oil must make up at least 2.5% of it. 3. It has anti-inflammatory qualities, too. Numerous health issues, such as arthritis, cardiovascular disease, and even cancer, are considered to be brought on by chronic inflammation. Citrol, an anti-inflammatory chemical, is found in lemongrass. In rats with carrageenan-induced paw edema, oral lemongrass essential oil demonstrated potent anti-inflammatory properties, according to a 2014 animal research. When the oil was topically administered to mice with edematous ears, the oil likewise showed anti-inflammatory properties. 4. It has anti-inflammatory qualities. Your body uses antioxidants to combat free radicals that harm cells. Free radicals are fought off by lemongrass essential oil, according to research. A 2015 study found that lemongrass oil mouthwash has potent antioxidant properties. It may serve as a supplemental therapy for gingivitis and non-surgical dental operations, according to researchers. 5. It could reduce nausea or help avoid stomach ulcers. Lemongrass is utilized as a traditional cure for a variety of digestive issues, including gastric ulcers and stomachaches. A 2012 mouse research found that the common source of stomach discomfort, gastric ulcers, may be avoided by using lemongrass essential oil. In addition, lemongrass is frequently included in herbal teas and anti-nausea pills. Although dried lemongrass leaves are the primary ingredient in most herbal remedies, utilizing the essential oil for aromatherapy may provide comparable advantages. 6. It might alleviate diarrhea. Although diarrhea is mostly merely a nuisance, it can also lead to dehydration. Some individuals resort to natural solutions for diarrhea since over-the-counter medications might have unpleasant side effects, such as constipation. A 2006 research found that lemongrass may aid in reducing diarrhea. In mice with diarrhea caused by castor oil, the study found that the oil decreased fecal production, presumably by reducing intestinal motility. 7. It could lower cholesterol. Your risk of a heart attack and stroke may increase if you have high cholesterol. It's critical to maintain steady cholesterol levels. In the past, people have used lemongrass to lower cholesterol and control heart disease. A 2007 research bolsters its application in certain circumstances. The results of the study showed that rats given a high cholesterol diet for 2 weeks had their cholesterol levels dramatically decreased by lemongrass oil. The favorable reaction was dosage dependent, meaning that as the dose was altered, so were its effects. 8. It could assist in controlling cholesterol and blood sugar. A 2007 mouse research suggests that lemongrass oil may assist persons with type 2 diabetes lower their blood sugar levels. For the duration of the trial, the rats received a daily oral dosage of lemongrass oil ranging from 125 to 500 milligrams. Lemongrass oil was found to reduce blood sugar levels. Along with raising levels of HDL, good cholesterol, it altered lipid metrics as well. 9. It could provide pain relief. Lemongrass essential oil citral, which also reduces inflammation, may aid in reducing discomfort. A 2017 research on individuals with rheumatoid arthritis found that topical lemongrass oil reduced their discomfort. Average pain levels decreased from 80% to 50% during the course of 1 month. 10. It might ease tension and anxiety. Stress is frequently accompanied by high blood pressure. Numerous research have demonstrated how aromatherapy reduces anxiety and tension. The effects of massage and aromatherapy may be increased. The benefits of lemongrass and sweet almond massage oils were examined in a 2015 study. Compared to the control group, study participants who had a massage with the oil once a week for 3 weeks saw reduced diastolic blood pressure. Both the heart rate and systolic blood pressure were unaffected. 11. It could lessen headache and migraine symptoms. Australian native lemongrass, according to studies there, may ease headache and migraine discomfort. Eugenol, a substance found in lemongrass, is thought by scientists to have properties comparable to those of aspirin. Blood platelets are said to be prevented from clumping together by eugenol. Serotonin is also released by it. A hormone called serotonin controls mood, hunger, sleep, and cognitive processes.